थोड़ा सा पूछना चाहूँगी कि जलूस में मौजूद है, तो आप क्यों मौजूद है? वाई यू आर हियर? Yes.
Yes.
You just tell me why you are here.
Why?
Okay.
It's my 4 times in Pakistan. I love Pakistan. We stayed with my husband here.
Okay.
It's my second time Muharam.
Okay.
First time in Iran and second time in Rawalpindi.
This is your second time. You are
time.
attending the Muharam.
Muharram second time.
Okay. Why you attend the Muharam Majalis?
I think it's very spiritual thing.
Okay.
I am not Muslim, but
Okay.
I think there are one God for all.
Yes, that's true.
And that's all.
Okay, that's great. So, what you learned from Hazrat Imam Hussain alayhi salam and his family?
Yes, years ago I learned about it, but I am interested in
Islamic history or Imam Hussain?
Islamic and other religions, but I think sorry, my English is very short.
Okay.
I think the Islamic and Catholic is very close.
Okay.
People say it's not, but I think it's the same.
It's the same?
Religions is the same.
Okay.
Love all and peace and
That's great.
normal way.
Yes. Thank you very much. And you from, please, can I ask your name and you from?
Yes, of course. I am from Catalonia.
Catalonia?
Catalonia is a part of Spain.
It's
A part of Spain.
Spain. Okay. You're from Spain. Okay.
I
That's
live
good.
in a small town between France and Barcelona. A small town.
Okay. Thank you very much. And your nice name, please?
Montserrat.
Montserrat.
It's the name of Virgin Mary. The patron of Catalonia is Montserrat Virgin.
Oh, okay. That's very nice. Thank you very much. Thank you.